Okay, so very quickly, what is the first picture that comes to your mind when I say the word courage? Maybe flashy images of warriors fighting battles, or maybe David and Goliath, or Moses and Noah. But is courage just that? Lucille Clifton once said, to stand up, get out of your bed, to walk into a day, a society that will sometimes do everything to kill you. That's courage and triumph. To stand up, get out of your bed, face the reality of your day in a sick body, perhaps a body that is penetrated with a disease, a minor infection or cancer, a body that is trying to murder you day in and day out. That is courage. And today, not David, not Goliath, not Moses or Noah. Today we'll be talking about Shiphrah and Puah. So the story begins with Pharaoh's xenophobia taking over him. He attempts to limit the Hebrew population by trying to oppress them, but in vain. They keep growing in number and he is not able to do anything to keep them down. He takes drastic measures to keep these outsiders from taking over the land one day, and his latest attempts involve asking Hebrew midwives Shiphrah and Puah to kill all the baby boys as soon as they are born. It was a very strategic move because he knew that these midwives are the touch point between life and death, and he asks them to choose death. But Shiphrah and Puah knew the Hebrews and their God. They feared the Almighty and decided that they wouldn't kill any baby boys. But what about Pharaoh now? They were answerable to him. So they smartly made an excuse that the Hebrew women did not require their assistance and that their children were born even before the midwives could arrive. This was not just a smart move but a super courageous one. This picture of daily courage shows us how on some days courage is standing and speaking up, while on other days it is just sitting down and listening. On some days it is battling with others, but on other days it is battling with your own fears. So never ever limit your sense of courage, because sometimes courage is just standing up and getting out of your bed, period. Hey everyone, so the Christmas week is beginning soon and we have a lot of beautiful videos to share with you, so stay tuned to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. And also we have a Facebook page now, do check that out as well. And if you like the story of Shiphrah and Puah, like this video, share this video to everyone, comment on it, and we will meet you in the next one.